gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Ay, little nigga, you feel let it go. Put yourself first up for show. Ay, gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Ay, little nigga, you feel let it go. Put yourself first up for show. Please don't take me for a joke. Guess who ain't asked to be broke. Woke up looking for the smoke. Go ahead, hop in the scope. Frustrated, might need to poke something. Oh well, I'm finna roll something. Run off with it, let me hold something. Beat up the ball like it stole something. Trying to be good, but it ain't get me far. At that point, it's time to accept who you are. Ooh, but you don't sleep on that bar. This one might make me a star. Ma, what it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 eyes, back on the block with a banger, broski. What's going on today, man? Got a new pickup for y'all, and the mob blessed us again. You know what I'm saying? One of the homies from the mob came through, dropped off some heat for us to review. And without further ado, let's get into the footage, broski. First off, man, look, got me a skate tube, man. You know what I'm saying? Straight off the bat with it. Needed this joint. Now, I don't know if you guys skate or not, but you know what I mean? When I do get time, I definitely get on the board, man. Try to pop me a couple alleys and shove out there. You know what I'm saying? Be working on my little manuals or whatever. But yeah, me, I'm not to the point yet where I can skate loose trucks. Anything up under the board that don't feel secure, I get nervous, you know what I'm saying? My balance ain't A1 on that joint yet, so I definitely like my truck super duper tight. You know what I mean? When I'm turning and carving, I don't like how it feel when the trucks are loose and the board slide up under my feet. Like, I ain't ready for all that yet, so definitely needed me a skate tube when I seen that Supreme was dropping one. Collaboration with Spitfire, and I'm riding Spitfire wheels on my board now, so yeah, definitely down for that. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all check it out with the B-roll, of course, but and this what it look like when you pull the little screwdriver with it, you know what I'm saying, to tighten up your bolts and all that. I wish I had my board up here so I could give y'all a demonstration, you know what I'm saying. I already done tightened my trucks up, I'm ready to ride already. I'm gonna probably throw this in one of my little shoulder bags so I can keep it on me, but yeah, man, that's how it look. Spitfire on the back, Supreme on the front, or Spitfire on the front, Supreme on the back. You know what I'm saying? I left the packaging downstairs. I'll probably show that in the B-roll as well. But yeah, and it just got a little marking, the same marking that's on the Spitfire wheels. It's going down in this part of the tube. And that's all it is to it, broski. And I definitely got some heat kicks for y'all, bro. Check these out, man. Hey, I know y'all probably seen reviews before, but I've been dying to get these on the channel. Been dying to get these in my hand just to see them in person. This is gonna be my first time seeing them in person. You know what I mean? Them Spitter Andretti's, man. This box so fucking fire, bro. I for sure want this shoe just for the box so I can sit it up in the back. Like, that would look so fire right here at all times. I could definitely rock out with that being up there at all times. Like, I'm cool. I just want the box, bro. But yeah, man. Check out the details. Got Jet Life and the Allen Iverson logo right there. Dead in the middle. Tail lights. You know what I'm saying? Reebok and Iverson logo right there on the size tag. On the back. See what that say, man. What that say? Cruise Life, Cruiser Life. Cruise Life on the back. Hard, bro. Top say mint condition. Let you peep that out. Got that dope font right there reading out mint condition on it. Yeah, man. Box alone cold, bro. Perfect execution on the box. But yeah, G, let's get into the shoe, man. It's time to get into the shoe, broski. Open them up. Paper ill, man. You know what I'm saying? Got them hemp leaves all over the paper. All my 420 boys, you know what that's about. That's another reason why I gotta have this shoe. Got a Reebok sticker on the lid. And right when you lift that up, bang, bang. Jet Life Classic 50 F020. 50 F020 Jet Life Classic. Right there. Dope hit. And the kicks, man. The kicks cold, bro. Man, straight to the outsole. Coming from StockX, the homie Frey got him from StockX, man, and dropped them off. But he wanted to see him in 4K with y'all, man. So that's why I got the pleasure of doing the unboxing. Definitely appreciate it. I'm pretty sure he looked at him and, you know what I mean, shot him over. The box was open already, so it ain't no first look like. But yeah, man, straight to the outsole, B. This outsole so crazy. You got the Reebok going down with the branding right there. Classic. That's on every question. But what's not on every question, man, is this translucent outsole with the leaves up under there again, bro. Got the leaves again. That shit is so hard. Favorite part of the shoe, definitely the outsole and the leaves. Taking it up, white midsole. You know what I mean? Translucent on the hex pods. But it's a white background. And that's just there for sure, if I ain't mistaken. But yeah, man. Got this iridescent toe box that'll put you in the mind of that Charlotte pack. Like, you know what I mean? The Hornet ones and the All-Star Game ones and the All-Star Game 6s. Well, that's what it look like it's going on at the toe. But on this shoe, it's actually dope, man. And these probably blasted out right now. Hopefully the B-roll will catch it. But yeah, man. Oh yeah. Leather inside. Leather inside, dope. Blue hit on the back, nothing. Right there, you got currency plain. That good leather all over the uppers, bro. You know what I'm saying? White laces, white mesh tongue. Leather hit with the Jet Life up there. Dang, it's super blasted out. You probably can't even see, but it say Jet Life embossed right there. And the lace tips got Know Me. One of them say Know Me, the other one say I don't even know how to spell that, bro. It look like it say Moo Focus. I don't know what that mean. I'm pretty sure that ain't English. It's a super dope shoe, bro. I wish I could get it on foot, but this pair ain't mine, man. One time for the mob, for blessing us, like always. The mob really been holding us down with footage the whole summer, bro. If it wasn't for the mob shopping with us, you know what I mean? If it wasn't for the mob dropping off kicks for us to review, my homie Ace over there leaving the doors open for me to get bangers off. He mobbing. I'm Soul Food Fam. It go both ways. You know what I mean? The mob really been holding me down this summer, man. So I appreciate y'all, bro. And I'm gonna need y'all to continue that love. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my OGs, youngest, day ones, and new members alike, broski. If you ain't mobbing, please hit that subscribe button, man. Join the fam. I'm sweating like a fool for y'all. Please hit a like button for me putting in that work. You know what I mean? It's real life sweat, blood, and tears with this YouTube shit, bro. Y'all see it, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with me, bro. Give your boy a like, man. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. We gonna get up out of here, man. Hope y'all enjoy that footage, man. I'm gonna roll some more B-roll on the end, and we're gonna take it away, man. From my family, yours. Mob. Stay up, bro. Peace.
Looking for rappers with jewelry, holding pussies got security. I know that verse lack maturity. The game been took my purity. So I lock myself in the booth, so I won't do the dumb shit that made my son youth. Had to turn shit to sugar. Young David got a sweet tooth. Young David got loose screws. Everybody know that what's new. Young David still fuck a nigga over. Everybody know that but you. Gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Hey, little nigga, you finna let it go. Put yourself heard of a show. Ay, gotta keep it cold on the hoe. Bro, I don't give a fuck no more. Ay, little nigga, you feel let it go. Yo, put yourself heard of a show. Yo, nigga try to get a job, that's a no. Ooh, guess I really had to sell dope. Who? Roll with the pose and the coat. What were you? 02 to 04. Yo, whole 11th grade, I'm in night school. This shit for survival, ain't trying to be cool. Ooh, hey, you ain't catch the news. I'm known by the gangsters, so tell me about you.